time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Pardia,
Yeah?
Kitty says you have an imaginary friend. What's so funny?
My friend's just hard to see, that's all.
How come?
Dalvanius? Are you there?
Hi, Pardia.
Where is he? I can't see him.
Dalvanius? Oh, come on. Don't be shy. Say hello to Lou.
Hi, Lou. How's it going?
Oh. Hi, Dalvanius. He wants to play? Huh? Woo!
Gosh, Rockaroony, you're a comfortable rock. Ah, so cosy.
Kitty! Are you there?
Hi, Lou.
Watch out! Eyes are coming!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa, Lou. What's happening?
I'm a bird!
How did you do that?
I'm no longer subject to the laws of gravity!
Holy camoly, Lou, you're so lucky.
Dalvanius!
Sorry.
Dalvanius? Wait a second. Isn't Dalvanius imaginary?
He's just invisible. Right, Dalvanius? You can put me down now.
I'm not always invisible. I'm just really good at camouflage.
Camouflage,
Whoa.
really?
That's fascinating.
Show us, show us.
Can we see you?
Dalvanius, are you still there?
Do you really want to see me?
Yes, please.
Okay, but,
What?
just don't laugh at my ears, okay?
Your ears?
Yeah.
We won't. Will we, Kitty?
Of course not. Promise.
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Your ears!
What?
They're amazing.
They are.
You don't think they're silly?
What? No, they're incredible.
I'm so jealous. I don't even have ears.
Me neither.
Do you really like my ears?
Yes, we do. Yes, it's true.
Well, secretly I like them too. Well,
We knew you would,
and so you should. I wish I had those ears on me. What's that? A little louder, please.
Your ears could win prizes because of their sizes. We've never seen anything like them in years.
Never seen anything like them.
You're amazing ears.
It means a lot to know you've got amazing ears. Everything's loud and clear with your amazing ears.
What?
Someone's laughing.
Who's there?
Did you see those ears?
They're hilarious.
They're laughing at me.
Hey, where did he go?
You guys are mean.
Why? What did we do?
You laughed at our friend.
But he's funny.
Hilarious.
Hey, just because someone's different doesn't mean you can laugh at them.
Whoa! Who's there? Put me down! Ah, what are you doing? Oh, get off me, slimy fish!
How dare you? I'm not a fish. I'm not a fish.